Qonto has become a preferred digital banking platform for startups, freelancers, and small businesses across Europe, but its real power shows when it is correctly integrated with accounting software. The best qonto accounting integration method is one that eliminates manual work, maintains clean financial records, and gives real-time visibility into cash flow and dollars. The most reliable approach is a direct integration between qonto and a professional accounting platform such as Xero, QuickBooks, Sage, or Pennylane. This method uses qonto's secure API to automatically sync bank transactions, balances, and payment details into the accounting system. Every incoming and outgoing transaction appears in the accounting dashboard almost instantly, allowing expenses and income to be categorized correctly without delay. Once connected, transaction rules should be configured inside the accounting software. These rules automatically assign expense categories, VAT rates, and chart of account labels based on merchant name, transaction type, or amount. This step drastically reduces bookkeeping time and prevents common classification errors that can distort financial reports in dollars. The next critical element is receipt capture and matching. Qonto allows users to attach receipts directly to transactions through its mobile and web apps. When integrated with accounting software, these receipts are automatically matched to the corresponding transaction. This creates a complete audit trail, ensuring compliance and making tax reporting straightforward. For teams, enabling multi-user access with defined roles strengthens internal controls. Payments made by different team members are instantly visible in the accounting system, with clear attribution and documentation. This improves expense tracking and simplifies monthly reconciliation. Finally, reconciliation should be automated and reviewed regularly. Because qonto data flows directly into the accounting software, bank reconciliation becomes a one-click process instead of a manual comparison. This integration method delivers accurate financial statements, reliable cash flow tracking, and scalable accounting operations without unnecessary complexity.